Are you fed up with sitting in a cramped desk, day after day, as your dreams seem to fade away? Does the thought of another lecture or homework assignment make you want to scream? Well, my fellow frustrated teens, you're not alone. Today, we're about to shatter the chains of conformity and explore a world where your passions can become your paycheck. Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the unconventional secrets to making money and achieving success as a rebellious teen who's ready to break free from the shackles of school. Fasten your seatbelts, because this journey is about to get wild. Let's dive right in. As a teenager, you have a unique advantage: time. While school can feel overwhelming, it's crucial to use this period to explore your passions. What activities make you lose track of time? What skills are you naturally drawn to? Take the time to reflect on your interests, whether it's playing an instrument, writing stories, designing fashion, or solving complex puzzles. Identifying your passions is the first step towards creating a fulfilling and successful future. Once you've discovered your passions, it's time to transform them into marketable skills. Thanks to the internet, there are countless resources available at your fingertips. Take advantage of online courses, tutorials, and communities to hone your abilities. For example, if you're passionate about coding, platforms like Codecademy or Udemy offer comprehensive courses to help you become proficient in various programming languages. Similarly, if you have an eye for design, websites like Canva provide tutorials and templates to enhance your graphic design skills. By investing time and effort into developing your chosen skill set, you'll become more attractive to potential employers and clients. Are you interested in entrepreneurship? Well, starting a small business as a teenager is more attainable than ever before. Look for gaps in the market and brainstorm ideas that align with your passions. For instance, if you love baking, consider selling homemade cookies or cakes to friends, family, and local events. If you enjoy creating unique jewelry, set up an online store on platforms like Etsy. Embrace your creativity and turn it into a profitable venture. Starting small allows you to learn the ropes of running a business, managing finances, and building customer relationships. Remember, even if your first venture doesn't skyrocket, the experience gained will prove invaluable in the long run. The gig economy provides a flexible and accessible platform for teenagers to earn money. Popular gig jobs include freelancing, content creation, social media management, or becoming a virtual assistant. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit offer opportunities to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. Whether you're a talented writer, a social media savvy individual, or a skilled video editor, freelancing allows you to work on your terms, build a diverse portfolio, and develop valuable professional connections. Take advantage of this gig economy wave and find gigs that align with your strengths and interests. Love it or hate it, social media has revolutionized the way we connect, share, and do business. As a teen, you have grown up in the age of social media, making you naturally adept at utilizing platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Harness the power of social media by sharing your skills, knowledge, and experiences. Start by creating a consistent and authentic online presence that reflects your passions and talents. If you're a skilled artist, share your artwork on platforms like Instagram and build a following. If you have a talent for cooking, create captivating cooking tutorials on YouTube. By sharing your expertise, you can attract followers, collaborations, and even potential business opportunities. However, it's important to approach social media with a strategic mindset, ensuring that your online presence aligns with your goals and values. Surrounding yourself with inspiring individuals who have already achieved success is an invaluable asset. Seek out mentors in your chosen field or join professional networks and communities. Attend workshops, seminars, or industry events to connect with like-minded individuals and learn from their experiences. Remember, success is often a collaborative effort, and learning from others who have paved the way can provide guidance and open doors to new opportunities. Mentorship and networking allow you to gain insights, receive feedback, and establish connections that can potentially shape your future career. Before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room: balancing school and pursuing your dreams. Education remains important, as it equips you with essential skills and knowledge. Time management, prioritization, and discipline are crucial to maintaining a healthy balance. Ensure that you allocate dedicated time for both your academic responsibilities and your personal pursuits. Set realistic goals, create a schedule, and avoid procrastination. By excelling academically and simultaneously pursuing your passions, you can create a solid foundation for your future. Congratulations, my fellow teens. You now have a roadmap to unlock your potential, make money, and find success beyond the boundaries of school. Remember, it's all about embracing your passions, acquiring marketable skills, exploring entrepreneurial opportunities, leveraging the gig economy, utilizing social media, and seeking mentorship and networking. With perseverance, dedication, and a positive mindset, you can break free from the limitations of traditional education and pave your own path towards a successful and fulfilling future.